Hello everybody. Today I am going to tell you some important questions, and these questions are from GATE questions and previous MSc questions and from IIT JAM also. So simply listen carefully and see how I am applying the properties. Clear? And don't go manually. Simply, I have told you the sum of the eigenvalues is equal to trace of A. Trace of A means the sum of the diagonal elements, and the product of eigenvalues is equal to determinant of A. And also I have told you the eigenvalues of a diagonal matrix is the diagonal elements, and the eigenvalues of an upper triangular matrix are the diagonal elements. The eigenvalues of a lower triangular matrix are the diagonal elements. Clear? See here. What are the eigenvalues of this one? See, simply it is an upper triangular matrix. So what is your property? Simply the elements of the diagonal elements. That means 5 minus 10 is 37. 5 minus 10 is 37. So this is the answer. Clear? See here, the next question. Already I have told you Ax is equal to lambda x is the definition of eigenvalue. This is the eigenvalue equation. X is there. On the right hand side also x is there. And the constants which should be multiplied to x will give Ax. That constant is called eigenvalue. Clear? If A is given, x is given, then find the product and take common so that this term will become x and that common term will be eigenvalue. Clear? See here. Here the eigenvector is given and the matrix is given, and you have to find out the corresponding eigenvalue. That means simply multiply this with this, Ax. That means 8 minus 4, 2. It will take simply within 30 seconds you can solve. Minus 2 minus 4 into minus 4.5 minus 4, 1. Simply multiply 8 into minus 4.5. It will be, it was 32 and 4, 36. So this is plus 14, 4 plus 16, then this is plus 2. Then the answer is 30, 40, 46, 48. It will be. It is minus 36. It will be, minus is there, so not 48. Minus 36 plus 36. It is minus 20 plus 2. So minus 18 it will be. Then the second one, 4 into minus 4.5, it will be 16, so 18, minus 18, and this is 0 and this is 2, so it will be minus 16. Then the third one, it is 0, this will be 4 to the 8, this will be minus 4, so it is 4. So how much you should take common so that you will get this factor? So take 4 common. 4 into, if you take 4 common, this will become 1, this will become minus 4, this will become minus 4.5. This one is x, this one is x. So lambda into x, so eigenvalue is 4. Clear? See here, I have already told you in my previous video how to find out the characteristic equation. The question is here. It was said in a GATE exam, the matrix is given and you want to find out the characteristic equation. And I have told you how to write lambda cube plus trace of A into lambda square minus, it will be, then alternate sign I have told you, then this one into lambda minus this one equal to 0. This is the determinant of A, you should write. And this one is trace of A. Trace of A means sum of the diagonal elements. You should write here, and here you have to find out the determinant of A, and these are the sum of minors of the diagonal elements. Clear? And simply it will take less than 1 minute. You should find the determinant, and in this case, for determinant you should remember the multiplication table. The 19, 17, 13 are there. Okay. Then only you can find the determinant quickly. And sum of the minus of the diagonal elements you should write here. That means minor of 3 plus minor of 5 plus minor of 19. You should write here. And the sum of these 3 elements you should write here. Automatically you will get the answer. Okay. See here this question. 4 by 4 matrix is given. Matrix and whose eigenvalues are given. 2 minus 3, 13, 7. And you want to find out the absolute value of the determinant of A. See here, what is your formula, property? Determinant of A is equal to product of the eigenvalues. Product of the eigenvalues. That means absolute value of determinant of A is equal to, find the product, 2 into minus 3 into 30 into 7, and you should take its absolute value. It will be 546. So this is the answer. Clear? See here, already I have told you that if the matrix A is a singular matrix is its determinant will be equal to 0, then the eigenvalue is lambda is equal to 0. Again, conversely also it will satisfy. If lambda is equal to 0 is an eigenvalue of a matrix, then that matrix will be singular. Singular means determinant of A is equal to 0. Here, one of the eigenvalues of A is 0. That means lambda is equal to 0 is an eigenvalue. So you should tell which one will be correct. Determinant of A is equal to 0. That was the property. Clear? And already I have proved it. So this is the answer. See, already I have told you, if lambda is an eigenvalue of the matrix A, then lambda to the n is an eigenvalue of A to the n. Clear? And this one I have proved it. Here, 4 is the eigenvalue. That means lambda is given. And eigenvector is given. That means x is given. And A is also given. So you want to find out area of 5x. See here, Ax is equal to lambda x. Then area of n is equal to lambda to the n. I have already told you. And here n is 5. That means it will be lambda to the 5x. That means what is lambda? 4. 4 to the power 5. X is this one. Minus 4.5 minus 4, 1. And for the 5 is 1024. So you should multiply this thing. That is, this term will be 1024 because 1024 into 1. So 1020 is this one. So this term will be the answer. Bit C is the answer. See, I have already told you Ax is your lambda x. Ax is your lambda x. That means some multiple of x. And that some multiple is called the eigenvalue. That means in your question A is given and you want to find out which one is the eigenvector. That means simply you want to multiply A with x and the answer will be, if the answer will be some constant into x, some constant into this x, then that x is the eigenvector. Clear? See here, that means it is you want to test each and every v1, v2, v3, v4. Okay, see here, I am writing here 4 minus 2, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 minus 2, 3. And I am testing for first one, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. See here, 4 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. Then 2, 0, this is 0, 2. Then 2 minus 2, 0, then 0, it is 0. Then take 2 common. It will be 1, 1, 0. So 1, 1, 0. That's when that means V1 is the eigenvector. Clear? Then 0, 1, 2. Then test for 0, 1, 2. Clear? Let us check it for 0 minus 2 plus 2. It is 0. Then 0, this is 0, this is 2. Then 0, this is minus 2 plus 6. 6 minus 2, it is 4. So take 2 common. 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2. Multiply 0, 1, 2. So this is also eigenvector. Clear? So let us check for this one. But answer 1 is correct because V1, V2 are eigenvectors. Clear? So let us check for 1, 2 minus 1. 1, 2 minus 1. So what are the results? 4 minus 4. Cancel out. Then minus 1. Then it is 2, 0, minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. That means again 2 minus 4. It is minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Clear? So this is not equal to this vector. So this is not the eigenvector A3. Clear? See here. This question was set in GATE 2010. A is equal to 3xy and the eigenvalues are 4 and 8. So you want to find out the value x and y. Apply these two property. Sum of the eigenvalues is equal to trace of n. That means sum of the eigenvalues. That means 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Clear? Is equal to trace of it. Trace of the sum of these two. That means 2 plus y. 2 plus y is equal to 12. So y is equal to 10. Clear? So it implies y is equal to 10. Then product of the eigenvalues, product of these two, 32 equal to determinant of a. What is the determinant of this one? It is 2y minus 3x. Here and y, the value of y is 10. So put 10. That means 20 minus 3x is equal to 32. So it implies 3x is equal to 20 minus 32. It is minus 12. So x is equal to minus 4. So this one, x will minus 4, y is equal to 10. See here, your question is that which matrix have an eigenvalue 1? Which of the matrices have eigenvalue 1? So this is a triangular matrix. So in a triangular matrix, the eigenvalues are the diagonal elements. So 1 and 0 are the diagonal elements. So these are the eigenvalues. Here it is also the triangular matrix. So eigenvalues is 0, 0. And this one is also a low triangular matrix. So eigenvalue minus 1, minus 1. Clear? So this matrix only have eigenvalue 1 and remain this one. You have to find out this one. 1 minus lambda. So it is minus 1. This is 1 and this is 1 minus lambda. Clear? So sorry, you want to take a determinant equal to 0. So 1 minus lambda whole square plus 1 equal to 0. So 1 minus lambda is equal to plus minus I. So because plus 1 will go to the right hand side, it will become minus 1 and the root over minus 1 plus minus I. So lambda is 1 plus minus I. So these are complex conjugate. So only this matrix have eigenvalue 1. The previous question was from 2008 GATE question. The previous question. And this was 2007 GATE question. And here you want to find out the number of linearly independent eigenvectors of this one. So first of all, the eigenvalues are 2. It is a upper triangular matrix. So 2, 1, 0, 2. This is x1, x2. I am writing directly a minus lambda I. And here lambda is 2. So 2 minus 2 it is 0, 1. This is 0, this is 0. Into x1, x2 is equal to 0, 0. A minus lambda I, the formula is a minus lambda I into x is equal to 0 matrix. Here? Here lambda is 2, so I have put 2, so 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 2 it is 0. So simply x2 is equal to 0. 0 into x1 plus 1 into x2 is equal to 0, 0 into x1 plus 0 into x2 is equal to 0. Since x2 is equal to 0, x1 is unequal to 0. Clear? So let it be k. So let x1 is equal to k. That means the eigenvector is x1, x2. That means k 0. What is k? K is a non-zero real number. Non-zero real number means it will have how many cases? Infinite. Clear? I have already told you the property of a symmetric matrix that the eigenvalues of all the symmetric matrices are purely real. See here, see it is given that which one is correct for all real symmetric matrices. This one, all the eigenvalues are real. I have told you, you should remember all the properties. So this one is the correct answer, and this question was set in GATE 2014. Okay. See, very important question. The eigenvalues of a matrix are given of a 2 by 2 matrix, and the corresponding eigenvectors are also given. The eigenvector of minus 1, the eigenvector of the matrix corresponding to the eigenvalue minus 1 is this one, and the eigenvector of the matrix corresponding to the eigenvalue minus 2 is this one, and you want to find out the matrix. Apply these two properties. Sum of the eigenvalues is equal to trace of A, and the product of the eigenvalues is equal to determinant of A. So here the sum is minus 3, here the sum is minus 1, so this one cancel out. This is not possible, and this one is sum is minus 3, here also sum is minus 3, here also sum is minus 3. So these are the three possible cases. So now apply the second property. Product of the eigenvalues is equal to determinant of A. So what is the product of eigenvalue? It is 2. Clear? So let us see what is the determinant of this thing. This is minus 4 plus 4, 0. So this is not possible. Clear? So this one, 2 minus 0. So 2. This one, minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2. This is 0. 0 plus 2, it is 2. So these are the two possible cases. Now, from these two properties, we cannot decide which one is correct. So you have to take the help of eigenvector. Clear? So now let us take this one. Minus 1, 0, 0 minus 2. Write this eigenvector, any one. So take the product. Minus 1 plus 0, so minus 1. Then 0 plus 2. You cannot, this is not a multiple of 1 minus 1. So this is not possible. So this one is the answer. Clear? See here. This question was set in GATE exam 2009. Trace of A is given minus 2 and determinant of A is given minus 35. So what are the eigenvalues? That means trace of A. Sum of the eigenvalues should be equal to trace of A. That means here trace is equal minus 2. Sum of these two is not minus 2. Sum of these two is not minus 2. Sum of these two is minus 2. Sum of these two is not minus 2. So clearly this is the answer. Because the product of this one is minus 35, which is equal to minus 35. Clear? So you should remember the properties. See here, in a different branch, same 2010 question GATE 2010 question. Because for different branches, different questions will be set. So question is that which one is the eigenvector of this matrix? So you can check like this. Already I have told you. Simply take this one, minus 1, 1, 1. The transpose is given. So minus 1 plus 1, 0. This is 0, 0. So obviously it is not possible. Because this term becomes 0. Clear? So it will be 0. This is 2. This is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is not a multiple of this one. So the first one is not correct. So come to the second point. 1 to 1. 1 to 1. This is 1. This is plus 2. 3. 0. This is 4. Plus 2. 6. Then 0. This is 0. This is 3. So it will take 3 common. So it will be 1 to 1. So 1 to 1. So this one is the eigenvector. Clear? See here. This is a GATE 2008 question. It is given that one of the eigenvalues is 3 and the sum of the other two eigenvalues. For example, the eigenvalues are lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. So lambda 1 is given. So 3 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 is equal to, that means sum of the eigenvalues is equal to trace of A. And the trace of A is sum of these three. That means P plus 1. P plus 1. So what is lambda 2 plus lambda 3? Lambda 2 plus lambda 3 is equal to P plus 1 minus 3 is equal to P minus 2. So this is the answer. Here. See, you have to find out the eigenvalues of this matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. So I have to apply these two properties. This sum, that means trace, is equal to minus 2. And here the sum is minus 2. Here it is not minus 2, so this is not possible. This also is not possible. This is also not possible. So this is the answer. See here, these are the two eigenvectors of this matrix. And you want to find out the value of A and A plus B. So this is an upper triangular matrix. So the eigenvalues are 1 and 3. So eigenvalues are 1 and 3. So 1, 2, 0, 3 into this one, 1A is equal to 1 into 1A. Clear? So therefore, 1 plus 2a is equal to 1. So simply I am taking this one. So that means a is equal to 0. 2a is equal to 0. So it implies a is equal to 0. Clear? Again, second part. 1, 2, 0, 3. This one now 1 b is equal to 3 into the eigenvalue 3 into 1b. So 1 plus 2b is equal to 3. So it implies 2b is equal to 2. So b is equal to 1. So b is equal to 1, a is equal to sum is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So C is correct. Let's see here. The sum of the eigenvalues. What is the formula for sum of the eigenvalues? Trace of A. That means simply take the sum of these diagonals. 5 plus 1 plus 1. It is 7. So this is the answer. Eigenvalues of S equal to this one are 5 and 1. 5 and 1. So what are the eigenvalues of S square? I have told you, if lambda is the eigenvalue of the matrix A, then lambda square is an eigenvalue of A square. So A square means square of this one and square of this one. Answer is 25 and 1. So these are the two eigenvalues. So eigenvalues of this matrix. This is an upper triangular matrix. So eigenvalues will be the diagonal elements. So 1, 2, 2. So these are the eigenvalues. Clear? I have done maximum number of questions. So simply do the problems and first of all remember all the properties and simply do the problems. You can do every questions. Okay.